Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to delete a story from your Facebook account. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now let's open up our Facebook app first. And after opening our Facebook app, you can see your stories will be just beside the create story on the left side of your screen, and tap on your story. And I had just posted a blank video over here with a music and a picture over here. And now if I wanted to delete these stories, you can see the more or the three dotted icon on the top right corner of our screen. Just below that to score story, tap on the three dotted icon like this, and you can see delete video option available over here. Tap there to delete the picture story, and then again delete to confirm deletion, and you will have successfully deleted a story. Same process goes for the video story as well. You can see the three dotted icon over there. Tap there, and all these options will be available. Tap on delete, and again delete, and the story will be deleted. And there guys, this is how you delete your story on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.